Hey guys, good to have you guys here. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can claim Delta AI token. Okay, Delta AI token, they have about, I think they have about 10.5 billion of the coin. Okay, and they want people to keep buying and selling a coin on their exchange. The more you do that, okay, the more you are going to get more of their token. But in this case, we are going to go claim their airdrop. I think we are getting about 50,000 of the coin or 5,000. Okay, so I think on June that'll be when they will start distributing it. So there's no time, guys. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell notification. Make sure you use the link down in the comment section. Okay, that's where you see the referral link to use. Okay, so let's go, guys. So guys, you open it. Okay, you start the robot. Okay, when you start it, then you make sure you verify, then you get on here. Okay, so you make sure you want to join all this their groups. Okay, so let's join all of the group. Okay, we are going to join not just this one. Okay, I've joined this one, so let's check on another one I haven't joined yet. I hope you guys are having a good day though. So you guys are requesting for more airdrop videos, so you click on there to open it. Okay, let's open their Twitter account, their Twitter page. So let's get on here. Please, if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe and turn on the bell notification. You guys should smash the like button so this video can get to reach more people. If you come right here, guys, you need to click on follow them. It's very important, guys. If you follow them, then you scroll down here, okay, and try to like their post and retweet it. You can as well comment. You can put in anything right there, but I think they are asking us to tag about 3 friends. Okay, so now this is how you're going to do it. If you don't have a friend, just put random names right there. Okay, random names. It should be like 3. So that's how I'm going to do mine now. Let's get on here to know if you are following this the right procedure. So we come back on here, then let's go tag these people. You want to tag people, okay, because that's the only way. I've got no friend on there. Okay, so and I don't know. So let's just tag people here. We are just tagging about 3 people. Remember, that's part of the rule. Okay, these are the rules, and you must keep to it if you want to get the token. So I think after doing this, you can, as I'll show you guys how to use your referral code to get more people. You can keep getting people, and more you get people, the more you get more of the token. So I think I have completed about, yeah, I've gotten like 3 people now. Okay, I don't know these people, these are random people. Okay, so you can as well do that if you have no friend. So I've done that. So now let's get on our application. The Telegram. So we're on here. So we need to click on I think the YouTube. Okay, we need to go check if we follow them right there. You click on the YouTube right there. Make sure you follow them. If you've got a comment that you'd like to put in there, in the video, then you try to put it down. Just comment that, but we are not going to do no commenting. So this is the video on here. My signal is a bit bad, I'm sorry guys. So this is the video. So you want to come here, check it, and just subscribe, like, and that's basically what you need to do. Then we are done. Yeah, so we open it again. Okay, the Android I'm using is slowing down. I wanted to do this on my iPhone, but the truth is that it should be a lot of work for me. So you click on done if you're done. Okay, so they will ask you for your Telegram username. So you want to put in your Telegram username. It's very important, guys. So we are going to paste it right there. Okay, so here's the next step. Okay, just read it. Then after reading it, they want you to get to know more about the project. Okay, so I think that's what they're trying to do. So we click on next. There's no time. You can still read about the project later, but this is not a promotion. You just want to claim the free money. So make sure you follow this. You just open all the whole links to verify the next people the page they want you guys to follow. You can verify everything. So after we verify everything, they would ask us to drop our BEP20 address from our Trust wallet. Then from there, that's where they will distribute the coin to you. I was trying to check if I could get the control address, but unfortunately, they've not. They don't want to show anyone the control address yet. But I will navigate my way to so I can check if you guys can sell this coin. So make sure you don't invest in it. This is just free money. So you come on here and do the same. Don't forget. Okay, you can come here, just comment, like it, and if you want, you can retweet it. Or make sure you follow the person as well, Airdrop King. So follow him. Okay. 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 I just want to take a overview about what people are doing on there. Okay. So just put something like good project and that's all. So you just leave right there. Get on here. I'm sorry guys, this procedure is getting longer. So guys, the next step will be to go we are going to get on our Twitter account and drop our profile link for them. Okay, so you open your profile on Twitter, then come on here, click on share, then click on copy. That's the Twitter profile. Then we get on here back and paste it for them. Okay, then you send it. Okay, they want you to verify that you've subscribed to the channel. So we've done all of that. So you can just verify again. So you can see that I've subscribed right here on their channel. Okay, so they will ask you for your your YouTube profile link as well. So let's just okay, you can see right there, send your YouTube profile link. So right here we are going to click on my profile here on YouTube. Okay, no, not there, not that one. So you're going to go on my channel to go grab this link, share. Okay, that's how you can get yours as well. Then we move back on Telegram and drop it for them. So guys, you guys should do it the same way. So after that, you need to open your Trust wallet. You can see mine here. So come on Binance matching right there. We have to click on Binance matching. Don't forget. Then when you click on there, then you have to click on receive. Then you click on copy. You need to copy this address and send it to them. Then you come on here, okay, and paste your paste your address right there. So I am going to delete this and paste it again because I don't know. I think the network is bad or their system is bad. I don't know. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So okay, I have to delete this one and send another one. Nice. Okay, so let's scroll down a bit so we can see, you can see the referral link right there. Okay, you can see that if you refer this coin to people, one referral that you get is about 10,000 Delta AI. And you can see that they've given me about 50,000 of Delta AI token. Okay, so and I can't withdraw this money until June 30. So copy your referral link, share it to your friends, try to convince them. Okay, I want you guys to be good at this so you can get to make more money. Okay, since we can sell and buy, like when we are buying and selling this coin, okay, on their dex swap, we are going to earn more of this token. I believe that this token could be easy to sell. So in this case guys, you guys should try your best to get your friends to join it. Okay, that's the only thing you can do, guys. I'm looking on how I can get the control address, but it's not possible. Okay, so I want to go verify it for you guys, but I will try my best to give you guys an update back. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification because you don't want to miss that video. And catch you again. One love.